Hi, I'm Casey and welcome to Scratch. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use the check-in feature. The check-in feature is your morning journal. It's going to keep you on task for the day, and it's also going to give your coworkers an idea of what you're working on for that day, what your mood is, and how you slept. So when you open up Scratch, it's going to take you directly to your workspace. From here, you're going to go to your feed, and you're going to find that purple plus button at the bottom, and you're going to open that up, hit check-in, and you're going to start your daily journal. Here you have 500 characters to write anything you want. So for now, I'm just going to say, slept well, working on a proposal, and then I'm going to hit next. Now you're going to see that paperclip in the purple circle. You can include an image. I'm not going to for this case, but I'm just going to hit next. And this is where you're going to be able to click your mood. So depending on how you're feeling today, you can click any one of these. So I'm going to say that I'm ecstatic, and I slept really well, so I'm going to say I got my beauty sleep, and I'm really ready to hustle, so I'm going to hit that button there. And there you go. It's going to take you right to your feed. Again, anything you do in Scratch, you do earn points, so you're going to earn 5 points every time you do this. And there we go. Slept well, my mood is ecstatic, the weather. And keep in mind, you don't actually have to include your weather. The weather is part of your location on your device. And you have sleep, and then your motivation, ready to hustle. That's it. Thanks for watching.